Hello YouTube land and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. It's Happy New Year. It's right at the beginning of the new year. It is January the 3rd today, this morning. I have a busy workshop. I'm a bit overrun actually at the start of the year. Just lots of projects going on. I've got lots of stuff in here, both personal and for customers. But it's all good, but I love it. It's I've got quite a chaotic. I mean, if I show you around my workshop, I've got tools everywhere. Sometimes my workshop's quite tidy. At the moment, particularly in a small workshop as I am, it's there's lots of stuff, so it's very easy to get overrun. It's snug in here. We could get someone else in here, and that would be really snug. But anyway, wishing you all a happy new year. Reason for this video really is just to chat about particularly well-being at the start of the new year. And it's often with the dark nights, the dark mornings, the weather's rubbish. It's rubbish out there again, particularly here in the UK and in the Northern Hemisphere. It's if you're watching elsewhere in the world, then maybe you're going to be in totally different weather. Obviously, you're going to be in totally different weather, but you might even be in summer at the minute. I know I've got family and friends down in Perth in Australia. They're at the height of summer. So it's definitely not that here at the moment. It's pretty miserable. Sometimes the weather mirrors how we feel, particularly at the start of the year. But I just want to encourage you. So one of the best things we can do is just to get out there and almost act opposite to how we're feeling. It's easy to be driven by our feelings, particularly at this time of year when it's dark. And then, you know, we get into a cycle of guilt and an internal dialogue that we have with ourselves, where we're trying to do something, but then we feel guilty because we're not. And another day goes past and it's just, oh, can't be bothered, can't be asked. And I'm often there. But one of the best things we can do is actually just to get out and act opposite. And after a little while of doing something, we start to feel so much better. And it could be any activity, but I know many of you have got workshops and things, and maybe you're looking at it and you're looking out there and it's raining and it's dark and it's looking miserable. But just get in there and get started. Go and do a few minutes. Go and do half an hour. Go and get in there. Do a little bit of tidying, bit of sorting, whatever you want to do in there, or maybe start a project. It could be one of the best things you can do this January in looking after your well-being and doing something that's actually going to motivate you and actually make you feel so much better. So I just want to wish you all the very best and encourage everybody just to get out there and just go and make something, go and be something in your workshop, and let me know in the comments. So happy new year everybody, from me Mark at the Small Workshop Adventures. You take care. Bye.